Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First, confirm your router and device support WPS and that you can reach the router physically. Once done, enable Wi-Fi on your device and unlock the router panel. Make sure you know whether you'll press a WPS button or enter a WPS PIN. Pressing the router's WPS button usually creates a temporary secure window, while a PIN requires typing a code into the router or device. Begin by choosing button or PIN so you can act immediately. Now perform the core steps. If you chose the button method, press the router WPS button first, then trigger WPS on your device within the 2-minute window. The order matters because the router opens the pairing period. If using PIN, copy the exact digits and enter them where prompted, because an incorrect digit will fail authentication. Make sure the device's Wi-Fi scans and selects the correct SSID. Once authentication succeeds, you'll see a connection indicator or a solid LED on the router. Finish by verifying the device received an IP address and can load a web page. A quick browser test proves internet access. If connection fails, first retry the WPS sequence exactly, then move the device closer and disable any band steering so too. 4 GHz connects reliably. If problems persist, disable and re-enable WPS on the router or use the router's WPA2 passphrase to connect manually. This avoids WPS quirks. Remember, WPS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.